Hi, welcome to DeepMind Systems. This is Srinivasan Ramanujam. This is really interesting topic, and this goes up to 100 days. It's yes, no, it is really a 100 days challenge. 100 days you are going to learn about agentic AI. What is agentic AI, and what all the in what all the fields we are using it. And we are not only discuss about this, we are also implementing on what is how to implement agentic AI. And also you are going to learn along with me, like how to develop a agentic AI product. Okay, so it is not a learning, and you'll also build along with me, and you'll also see the real time problem statement and how to how people are implementing in this AI world, and also how leverage people are utilizing the power and potential of agentic AI. Okay, so let's do, and let's learn together. Okay, so before that, I just wanted to give the brief about myself. I am Srinivasan Ramanujam again. Right. I have 23 years of experience. In my experience, I have trained more than 30,000 students, and more than 500 plus faculties I have trained, especially on AI subjects. So I'm a subject matter experts in specific to AI/ML space, and also data science and business analytics. Okay, so all these three subjects we are giving training for people who is interested in, and also we are giving interns in our organizations, and also we are tying up with so many companies, the international companies, and giving opportunities for Gen AI development, Gen AI development products, and also projects. Also, we are placing students, the bright students, and who are committed to excellence and also innovation, right? So I'm in the process of developing AI for everyone. Okay, so it is not about only for engineers can learn the artificial intelligence, and AI technique, and also AI techniques should be um, able to manage by each and every people in the world. It is not only for a specific group of people, it is for everyone. That means AI should be for all, right? AI for all, actually, right? So because without AI, you never imagine any product nowadays. Any product, I would say, if you say if you just day in and day out, you will be using AI technology in your right from your smartphones, smart TVs, and household appliances, and somehow or the other, you are using. So, what are we going to learn about the agentic AI? So let's dive into the demo. Okay, so my method of I'll just share the screen. So this methodology, it's like, I don't have a specific presentation, and I hate presentation. Okay. Because if I see the presentation, I really, get to sleep. And also, who are all watching or who are all, listening to my conversation, you will also, get into sleep. So let's dive into the real time definition of what is AI, I mean, agentic AI. Okay, so let's see. This is, I'm in the cloud environment. Cloud is one of the tools, like tools from large language model. It is also like ChatGPT. Maybe I would say it is one of the competitors for ChatGPT and Google Gemini, and also the Perplexity AI. There are so many large language models are there, right? So let's see the definition, and also I will ask, give some real life examples, of what is agentic AI. Okay, so let's start learning something new. So this is going to be, this is going to be the 100 days from today onwards. This is the day one. So we'll say just see the introduction of what is agentic AI and what is going to happen, and really what is going to be the future of the AI, right? So everybody is asking, right from the school students, college, wherever I go for a special a special guest or chief guest on their premises, every students will be asking the same question: Can I get a job? Are all the jobs will be taken over by AI, right? Uh, we will see in this 100 days what is going to happen, right? So if you are going to learn something new, right? And it is not only specific to software industry. That is, I want to make it very clear. AI is not for only the specific industry. This is for each and every industry. So that is, because if you take mechanical industry, if you take electronic industry, if you take semiconductors, if you take any kind of, the verticals, we used to call this as a vertical or domain specific thing: healthcare, life sciences, finance, and everything, right? So software has such, the product just that automation, the process, everything that is there. And if you take mechanical, any kind of a product and the physical product, if you see the hardwares, right? It is also, the software side of it. It is almost, AI is occupied. So what is the learning over here is if you wanted to upgrade into the new technology and using this kind of a specific industry skill, then you are safe, right? And if you learn and upgrade yourself wherever you are in the industry right now, if you wanted to upgrade and if you are ready to upgrade, then you are safe, right? I think this answers a very little bit of, uh, because we need to see a lot of real scenarios in what specific job is going to upgrade, and those kind of the job, how it is handled by artificial intelligence. That is why I started this series, because agentic AI is the future of job market. And if you are in this agentic AI field, then it's really, you are in the right field, and you are in the right hand, and you are safe. Okay, so to secure your job in this environment, it is really a nice thing. Okay, so we'll see the definitions. All right, the agentic AI refers to artificial intelligence systems that can act autonomously to achieve specific goals or perform tasks with minimal human intervention, which is very specific in nature, and it will just take care of the specific job to be automated without human intervention. Just in case you wanted to create a presentation, let's see. I'll show you this demo, because to understand this definition, more of a realistic job in nature, and I will show you. Okay. Um, yes. There are so many different products that can create. If you give the input, there is one application. I think my user ID just occupied with all the things, and I can't create any presentation anymore in this Gamma app. This is one of the fine-tuned applications. Okay, that means, see, just to see over here, create new. Okay, so these are all the things this application is going to help for me, because if I wanted to create, okay, any kind of a presentation or any kind of landing page, I would say, for my business purposes, right? Um, or maybe just take it as an example of creating a presentation. Okay, here. I have taken some notes. Okay, just let's assume that if I taken some notes and I can give here as a input. Okay, this is possible. So paste in text, that means create from notes. I mean, create a presentation from my existing notes and an outline or existing content. This is one thing. And the next thing is, it is this option is very popular. Create from a one line prompt in a few seconds. Let's see. Let's create this. Let's generate this PPT with just a one liner prompt. Okay, how you are asking. Okay, so I'm going to do. I wanted to create a presentation on what is agentic AI and along what is the future of agentic AI. This is what I'm going to do. So you'll be able to create a presentation, you'll be able to create a website, you'll be able to create a document, any kind of a document. Okay, so this is really a nice platform, gamma.app. You'll also try, you just create for free, maybe maybe 10 or 8 presentations they'll be giving you for free of cost. After that, you have to subscribe. Okay, so it's very a very simple prompt, very short form of I was asking about agentic AI and what is the future of agentic AI. Okay, actually, if you give the same prompt in ChatGPT or anywhere else, and even in the cloud, that's what already we have done. So let's after this, we'll just go back and see. See what I'm just doing. I want you to understand in real time and also in your real life where you are using agentic AI right now. Okay, that is why I just take this application. Okay, so now I can create, okay, generate the outline of this presentation. Only I have given the prompt, right? Again, prompting and prompt engineering is a separate subject, and we'll be talking very soon. Meanwhile, if I have time, I'll just put what is the prompting and prompt engineering, how much salary you will be getting, right? So it will create a lot of job opportunities in prompting. We don't want to uh, get diverted out of. We are going to learn 100 days about agentic AI. Okay, let's come back to this, right? So I want to generate this information. Okay, so now it is preparing a content slide wise. Okay, what is agentic AI? Characteristics of agentic AI, current applications of agentic AI, potential benefits of agentic AI, potential risks and challenges, the future of agentic AI, and ethical considerations, preparing for the future of agentic AI. So there are 8 slides. It has been created. Not only this, it will be created along with the content. Okay, so this is just an information. Within this title, what is agentic AI, you will be getting a outline of what is agentic AI. So I already, crossed over, all my credits have gone, and I need to upgrade to Pro. I can't continue, but in your screen, if you just go back and click continue after this, right, you will get a nice presentation. Okay, like how, like this. I will show you how the presentation would be. Okay, and this is, yes. See this. So this presentation has been created within a maybe 1 minute or one and a, 1 point, just within 2 minutes. Okay. So I just created and I have just customized a few things. That's it. And your presentation is ready because this is one of the presentations. And okay, so I this is our very old slides and how the presentation should be. This looks like amazing. Okay, and this is kind of a marketing material for you. So now, what is the point here discussing this application when we started, learning about agentic AI, right? In If you just closely watch this process, I just opened a Gamma.app and I have given the prompt and I've got the list of informations, what all the, the slides should be there, and then the content should be there, right? There is no human intervention. Simple, right? This is what is called an agentic AI. Okay, very simple. And if you just go back to the definition now, right? And agentic AI refers to artificial intelligence systems that can act autonomously. It will act, automatically create a lot of things what you are asking. Because I was asking to create a presentation just, through prompt to achieve specific goals or perform tasks with minimal human intervention. So maybe this is going to be the future of the AI market. Okay, job market. That means if you I mean, if you are a student, let's take it for this use case. If you are studying degree, maybe engineering, AI ML you are studying. Now you are going to do a lot of projects and also a lot of products to get into the career growth and also get it into a job, right? There are so many tasks that you have to do it on your own. Right now, ChatGPT is there. Maybe you can say that ChatGPT is also an agentic AI. That is the wider angle. That is also a agent, right? That is also an AI agent, right? But if you just ask any specific question to do ChatGPT, then it may refer to some other product. Say, for instance, can you create a video in specific in ChatGPT? That is available right now. Even image is text to image. If you just ask any question on text, it will be creating an image. And if you are, I mean, that is very limited portion. Maybe if you are a subscriber, if you are subscribing to ChatGPT, then you will be utilizing a lot of features of ChatGPT. Likewise, if you go in depth of each and every task has been handled by an agent, and that is also very minimal human intervention, and that is it is doing the all the autonomous on its own, right? And there is no human intervention in any of its process. That is called an agent, right? That is what is called the process. The entire process is called as agentic AI. And you might be saying that it's already there, and why we are talking like this? No, it is already there. In a broader perspective. That means it will be doing some of the text to text prompt, text to image prompt, text to video prompt, likewise, right? Maybe take it for any kind of a robo, right? For any industry, it will just do a cutting process or scrapping process of any um, you know any company, the manufacturing company, I would say. Even if you take out the car company, a lot of robots are installed to assemble the products, right? And each and every process, it should be an agentic nowadays. That means very, I mean, if you are 100 people out there to handling those kind of a process previously, Now, if you just have installed agentic AI in between in each process, then 100 people will be reduced into maybe 20 or 30. Okay, so maybe 80% of the job, I mean, the human job will be automated. That means the specific agentic AI will be taken over and taken over their job, and it will just doing its best. So this is called as agentic AI. And what are the examples, right? The autonomous vehicle, you might be knowing, robotic vacuum cleaners, AI powered trading systems, virtual assistants, drone delivery systems, factory robots, that's what I was referring to, game playing AI, and recommendation systems. Okay, the platforms like Netflix and Spotify use AI agents to analyze user behavior and autonomously suggest content. From the next video onwards, we are going to demonstrate what is agentic AI and how to implement through LLMs, the large language models. Okay, it is on a real time. We take a problem statement, we implement it, we learn it through a demo. Okay, and if you wish, you can join my course. Over the period of time, you will also get involved in developing your own product along with me, right? If you want a mentorship, if you wanted to get into my training, special training on AML, Gen AI product development, ML product development, and any of the courses in DeepMind systems, always welcome. And please, write to me at sr@deepmindsystems.tech for the course details and also the fee structure, right? Thank you so much, and we'll be seeing soon. Okay, bye bye.